Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Travel the World on Creole. If you are new, we are Vivian and Mario, and today we'll take a few minutes to give you a wrap up on our Los Angeles trip budget. And right now we are at the Union Station in Los Angeles. We're taking a bus from there to the airport, to Los Angeles airport, because we are leaving today. We're going back home today. Taking a taxi from our area to the airport is quite expensive, so we opted for the bus, which is $9 per person. It's $18 plus tax. It's below $20. Much better. And it's an airport bus only, so that's perfect. This one is beautiful. So when we came to Los Angeles a couple days ago, we paid the taxi from the airport to our hotel for $70 to our hotel in Hollywood, 70 USD. That was quite expensive. That's why we opted for the bus on our way back. And for transportation, we used that tap card you just saw, public transportation, to navigate around the city. Thanks for hanging out with us so far to hear all the budget. For the airfare, we used JetBlue Miles and only paid $22 round trip for two. We wanted to keep our cost low because we knew we were going to pay a lot of money in Los Angeles for hotels, and our travel is always on a budget. So we made sure we used mileage, JetBlue Miles, and $22 round trip for two from Fort Lauderdale to Los Angeles. If you've been watching our Los Angeles videos, you'll see that we paid this hotel those two first nights with mileage. This is what it cost us, 41,000 miles with American Airlines mileage. So we didn't pay with cash. However, the second hotel that we went to, the Best Western, this one, remember this hotel, Best Western Dragon Inn? We didn't have enough mileage to pay for this one, so we paid this one for cash. It cost us $353 for 2 nights. We paid $353 for 2 nights, so we were there 4 nights total. 2 in the previous hotel and 2 nights in this hotel. As long as it's not alive in my room. If you watch our previous videos, you know the reasons we wanted to stay at 2 different locations. So quickly, if you remember from our last videos, we stayed at the Hollywood hotel in Hollywood because we wanted to visit Universal Studios, Hall of Fame. We wanted to check out some stores in the area, and also we wanted to go to the very famous Griffith Observatory, which has to be on your list. It's free to enter, so those are the main reasons why we wanted to stay in Hollywood for 2 nights. And then after that we went to stay in downtown. So we had a list of things to do in the downtown area, and we went to the museum, the Henry B-Side Museum that you're looking a little clip of. Its admission is free. That's a good thing about LA. A lot of things are expensive, but the museums and different things like that, they are free. So we went to the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Angels, which was phenomenal. We visited, we went to Angels Flight. I mean, there's so many things we wanted to do. Grand Central Market, Smorgasburg, where the food trucks come every Sunday from 10 to 4 p.m. And also we, of course, we went to Beverly Hills, where we visited the famous Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. LA was fun. It was a fun 4-night trip, although it was a little bit colder for our taste, but we had a blast. So this is a spreadsheet that gives you a grand total of our expenses. And one thing worth noting in that spreadsheet is the cost for transportation. You will see it's pretty high because there are two big costs in there. The one for from Los Angeles airport to our hotel was $70, and $75 was for the parking lot at Fort Lauderdale airport, because we left our car there for the 5 days. And lastly, we took like 2 Ubers in the city. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our little video of our budget. Please subscribe to help us grow. And thank you so much for watching. Merci en pile. Bye for now.